Have you gotten up early in the morning and make spicy breakfast bombs? Oh, they're fantastic, kids. You ready to get started? Let's cook something right now.
So I gotta get up
early in the morning. I love that song. I'm playing the Gap Band this morning. Hey, guys. How about fresh ingredients for you? Check what we got out here. There's my fresh sausage, Snow Creek brand. Gotta put the PI-YAHHHH on it. You know why? Because they're called spicy breakfast bombs. Just a couple of eggs we're gonna mix up. And speaking of spicy, there's my hot sauce. You know, I love the Cholula. There's a Chipotle brand, but there's the original, which I really like. Right over in here is a little bit of Italian seasoning mixed with garlic powder. What do you think of that? That's gonna be spread on top along with the butter and our busted can of biscuits. Some of you feel like that sometimes. I've heard you say it. That's all there is to it. It's very, very simple, guys. And what are we gonna cook it in? The greatest cookware of all time, Ninja Never Stick. It's not nonstick. It's never stick. Why do they call it that? Because it never sticks. Now, as you can see, the Ninja Never Stick pan, as I've said before, you always preheat those things. And there goes your first batch of little bitty sausage like that. You don't need actually a lot. I didn't measure it. I just squeezed it right out of there. We're gonna get this started, browned off, and then drain it on some paper towels and get started on our eggs. Nice, nice, very nice. Let's drain it off and start some eggs. Okay, guys, I got those pieces of sausage, little bits and stuff on the paper towels. I got my 2 eggs right here. Gonna beat the crap out of them. But first, you gotta put the PI-YAHHHH in there. Yeah, Jason's gonna be mad at me if I don't do that. So I actually put a little bit in there, spicy breakfast bombs. And this is where some of your spice comes from. You can add a little bit of the PI-YAHHHH into your sausage mixture also, if you so choose. There you go. Look at that. Pour right in there. Yeah. And as I've said before, I like a slow scramble on my eggs. And so once they go in there, I've turned the heat down like a medium low. And I'll give it a little bit of the turning and burning here, as I like to say. And you see how the consistency's already coming together there? That's exactly the way I like it. Just like that. With the spice combined with the egg, that's really, really good. Look at that. It's already finished. It only took a little bit, and there is how I like my scrambled eggs. Nailed it. I hope you like scrambled eggs. All right, cool cats. As you can see, we've got our little pan ready to go. I sprayed it with a touch of canola oil. You can use the oil or spray of your choice. And I've preheated my oven to 350. That's 350 degrees, by the way. So now comes your busted can of biscuits. You guys have seen these cool things. I'm gonna show you how to work them. All you do is just kind of pull them apart like this. Get them into a pretty good size, and of course they don't have to be perfectly round. We're not pros here, and we're not trying to impress anybody with the actual look. We want the flavor. So just like that, I'll show you how I make one, and it goes right there on the bottom. I'll try to keep that in the middle. A touch of egg on there. Some of your scrambled egg that I did, like that. And then here comes some of your sausage. A little sausage. I hope I said that correctly. And then you know what I left out of the description a while ago? And I realized it, so don't jump my case about it. That is our Cheddar and Monterey Jack cheese. So get you a pretty good handful of it. I like mine cheesy, like that. Cover it, and here comes that Cholula, because you want them to be called spicy breakfast bombs. Ooh, look at there. There you go. And then right on top of that, it's very easy. Get another one of your busted can of biscuits, like that, and we'll work this one. Same way. Around, 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 circle. And you can push this out with your fingers down here if you wanted to, like that. And when it goes on top, like that, I go ahead and push down all around with my fingers like this. See that? All the way around. And there is, it actually, instead of a bomb, it looks more like an igloo, doesn't it? Okay, spicy breakfast igloos. You want to go with that? Did we just change my name? Ah, the hell. Pinch down pretty good. because you don't want them to pop out. But if they look cool like that, there's one. All right, let's do 3 more. Now, as you can see, after a few moments and just a little bit of hard work, we've got 4 of them finished. Yes. Now what are we gonna do? Remember I showed you that butter with the Italian mixture, you know, your herbs and everything? Got it right here on my little brush. And you're gonna give these a brushing. And like I said, while you're doing this, your oven should be on 350, preheated. Mine is already preheated. Oh wow, this smells good all by itself. I always like this combination of the Italian seasoning. Some people use just parsley. You wanted to use just parsley, you just go right ahead. But the butter with a combination of the Italian herbs, I mean, wow, it's hard to top it. Brush it right on there. Who's that guy that lost his ear? Like one of his paintings. Doesn't matter. I've got both my ears. It's amazing considering listening to all the Van Halen and Iron Maiden and Dream Theater I have had to put up with all these years. But hey, that's okay. I do believe it's time to put these right here into an oven. My goodness, nice people. Oh, wow. Looking good here. Well, I don't really know what to say. Let's just take a look at those beauties right there. And I tell you something that hit me as soon as I opened the oven. You got the fragrance here from where I put the butter with the Italian seasoning mixture, and that really hit you. And it was so, so good. I like that. What do you say we take the old Scarde Viking knife right there and do this right through the middle? Yeah, they've got some of that biscuit crunch to them. Show you guys how this works. When you open it up, look at that. Cheesy. Your sausage, your eggs, that cheese in there, and a little bit of the hot sauce with that steam. Oh my, wow. That's how you serve them up, kids. These are gonna be wonderful. You know, about 1 per person. You can feed a family of 4 right there. Or 2 major swines. Ha ha! That's just a little serving suggestion for you. Hey, I appreciate you guys watching as always. You guys hit that like and subscribe. Not gonna miss anything else that's gonna be cooked right here. Tell you what, boy, that looks good. Spicy breakfast bombs. Simple and easy. You guys try it at home. See you next time, 'cause Chop Jimmy cooks. By the way, here comes the bonus. Here it comes, here it comes. And don't forget, national champions. See you next time, right here.